Hi kitties! Today we're going to draw a light fairy dragon. So let's get started. To draw this dragon, we're going to first start by drawing the eyes. So right here, I'm going to start and kind of draw like a teardrop shape for the eyes. I'm just going to come straight down with this curve, nice and big. I'm going to bring it around and connect it right back to this point. So just round it and kind of flatten it out a bit at the bottom. So that's the shape you're aiming to get. And we're going to go straight across from this point right here. Just come right across, say about that much. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So just kind of gauge that part. So I'm going to go up and going up, and I'm just going to give myself a point just to make it easier. So I'm going to come to this highest point right here, go straight across about right here, just so you know approximately how high to go. And then I'm just going to go ahead and round it off once again and bring it back. So as I come towards the bottom, I'm going to flatten it out a little bit more and right back in. There, so now I have my eyes in. Let's come in here. We're going to draw kind of like an oval. So we'll start right here. Just draw a curve. And we're just going to imagine this oval coming out, so about right here, all the way down. So let's do the same thing right here. So another curve right on the inside. Imagine the oval coming out, so about right here and in. If you're not comfortable drawing this curve, you can just go ahead and just draw one curve and fill it all in. But here you can just draw this part if you can, and then we're going to make them draw so cute eyes. So come in here with two highlights. So it's going to be one bigger, one smaller one, and a curve at the bottom and shade in the top. And the lines at the bottom. So same thing on this side. So it's going to be a bigger highlight right here and a smaller one and a curve at the bottom and shade in the top. There we have the eyes in. Now let's come up right here. I'm just going to very, very lightly just draw a slight curve right above. Right there. And then come to the bottom right in the center, this area right here. We're just going to draw a very, very widened out V. So for kind of like the nostril area. So center is about right here and up. Thicken the edge a little bit, and there. So our nose in. Okay, so now let's draw the head right here. So we're going to start basically where your eye is. So just kind of where your eye, the bottom of your eye is. Just come out, and we're going to draw a curve really close to the eye. So come out, say about right here. Just give yourself a point. And right here, just draw a curve really close to this edge. And we're just going to draw a curve. So we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So about right here. And if you're more comfortable going down this way, so just draw a curve that comes down. And from there, now you can come up a little bit more. Okay, so then now let's draw the bottom. We're basically just going to draw a big curve all the way across. So just give it a slight rounded off corner. right here, and then just connect it with a curve. There. Now let's imagine this curve is going all the way across, because we have to draw this ear right here, these big appendage, ear appendages. So let's come about right here. So I'm just going to imagine a little curve right here. So about right here, I'm going to draw a curve right in the center. And then now I'm going to draw the ears. So I'm going to come about right, so this is nice and center. I'm just going to come about right here and go up all the way. And I'm just going to bring it all the way back down here. There. Now to do the same thing on the other side. So once again, go up with a curve. So I'm kind of using that as my guide. So about right there, I'm going to start to round it and bring it down and bring it back here. There. Now it's starting to make sense, right? Look kind of weird for a second there. Okay, so then now there's another one right here, just a smaller version of it. So I'm just going to pop out this curve and in. So this one's a little bit easier. So same thing right here. So really close to that ear. Just going to drag a point across so I know where to end. Go up and bring it back down. Okay, so now let's go ahead and draw the body. So we're going to center the body and we're going to come right here and just draw a curve on both sides. Nice and center, give it a long neck. And right here we're going to pop out a curve and we're going to start to draw the body. So this is totally simplified. Make it a little bit easier to draw. So we got our two curves in, and let's bring this all the way down. So then from there we're going to come about right here following this curve in this area. And we're going to draw the front legs. So aiming towards the center, I'm going to bring this curve down. And about right there, I'll round it off and finish it off right here. So I'm just going to continue this so it's wider towards the bottom and connect it. So then from there, we're going to come in here and just maybe draw 3 curves for some nails. Indication of nails. So 3 curves. And add a little curve right here in the center to finish it off for the body. And then let's draw the back leg. So in this area, I'm just going to pop out a curve, comes down. And I'll just add a curve right here to simplify it. And maybe just 1 nail. So we're going to do the same thing on this side. Curve, pop it out and down. And finish it off, and then maybe add a little nail right there. And now let's draw the wings. So I'm going to come in this area right here and we're going to pop out a curve. So up, all the way up, and then down, and bring this curve all the way down to about right there. And I'm going to do a soft curve all the way across. So I read that they don't have any sharp points like fairies, so it's nice and soft. And let's come in here and finish this part off. So I'm just going to follow my outside lines and in. And if you want, you can just very lightly draw some curves right here And so it's the same thing on this side. So I'm just going to give myself some points once again, right there. I'm going to start and do about right there, up and down. And so once again, I'm going to bring it to this area. So go beneath that point and go up and down. And once again, follow our outside line. And 2 light lines. Okay, and then now the tail. So I'm going to basically tuck it right here. So I'll just come about right here and draw a tail that comes up. Bring it back down. Tuck it right at the legs. And then we're going to draw some tail flukes. So right here, go up. And here, there, you can do some waves like that and just bring it in. So same thing on this side. Up and then tuck it back in. And then let's just draw some very light lines in here. For the tail. And let's see here. Oh, last but not least, I have to add a heart to make this my drastic cute light furry. So there, hope you guys love how this beautiful white dragon drawing turned out. And I made it easy for you guys to follow along and inspires you to give it a try. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please give me a thumbs up and share it. And remember to subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.